Most real estate agents spend 4 hours creating a single piece of content. I just did it in 4 minutes while waiting for my coffee, and it looks better. If you feel like you're falling behind because you don't have a full time production team, or if you're not really good on camera, I'm about to show you how I create real estate videos so fast it feels illegal. And more importantly, I did it completely with my AI clone, without filming or editing. Here's what the video looks like. My neighbor in Round Rock spent $5,000 on new furniture just to sell her house. That is a huge mistake. Most of the time, you just need to declutter and rearrange what you already have. Save your cash for the move. Staging helps, but the return on investment isn't worth it based on the price of her home. There are ways to prepare your home for sale that gives you the highest level of ROI. Want my local staging guide? Send me a message. My neighbor in Round Rock.
That is a video that I shared using the platform. And it's basically the exact same high quality using the AI clone, really high quality voice and really good editing. And we can do that in
Your
just
lawn is killing
5
your
minutes.
home value.
And
In the
my
Austin
feed
heat,
now is
buyers want
basically-
3 things.
I'm gonna pause this right here. And my feed now can post videos like this with just a click of a button, all from the platform. So I'm gonna show you how to create videos like this with just 5 minutes. So simple as that, we'll just click right here, create new video. And then we can select one of the pre-built templates. Right now, I want to focus more on buyers. So I'm going to do more buyer attraction. Click generate script. And then let me read through the script. Most Austin buyers think 20% down is mandatory, but I just helped a couple in North Lamar close on 0 down first USDA. Don't really like this one. I'm just going to regenerate real quick. In North Loop, they need $60,000 down to stop renting. Agree. We found in a program with only 3% down instead. Austin's getting pricey, but you do not need a massive fortune to get started. Message me to start your option. This is fantastic. And I'm going to use this guy. This is a friendly neighborhood clone of myself. And then select the right voice and then click video, create video. Then what's going to happen is going to create an audio, create a video, and then it's going to edit the video for us. It's going to take about 5 minutes. Okay, so the video is now generated. Let's take a look together.
I just met a couple in North Loop who thought they needed $60,000 down to stop renting. We found them a program with only 3% down instead. Austin is getting pricey, but you do not need a massive fortune to get started. Message me to see your options.
This is a fantastic video. I like it. So what I'm going to do next is just going to click share and share to Facebook. And then it says now it's posted to Facebook. So I'm going to come to my Facebook page and see how it works, whether it's posted just now, correct. And then he has this caption written for me already, which is fantastic. And here's the video.
Instead, Austin is getting pricey, but you do not need a massive fortune to.
Just like that. It's so simple. Just a 5-minute click, 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 couple clicks, and then you generated one of the best, probably the best videos you ever created on your channel, on your page. It's so simple, so straightforward. So now I'm going to take you the process from beginning to end on how to use this magical platform called Real Agent Clone that I created using everything I know about creating content and creating AI clone for real estate to show you how to get to that step. Okay, so we come here to realagentclone.com, sign out real quick, come to realagentclone.com, and then we can now sign in and sign up for an account. The free account gives you 2 videos that you can generate. So it's actually very, very convenient. I'm going to log into my account real quick. After logging in, the first thing I would do is come here to my profile and make sure I add everything I have correctly. So I will add my full name, my phone number, the city that I work with, and the brokerage I am with. The reason I want to do that is that now when I generate a script and creating a video, you will use my personalized information and create content targeted for my area, right? Because it's important to not create generic content. So what we're going to do next is that we're going to come here and create new video to select either of the template. But before we do that, I want to make sure we have a high quality clone created. It's a very simple, straightforward process. We can come here to manage clone or add a new clone if you have enough slots. So usually we just come here to manage clone, add a clone, and then choose a photo. I'm just going to add a previous really crappy selfie of myself right here. And now you can see this is the selfie that you chose or that it has. And then we're going to click next. And then we can create either of the template here. So for this one, I want to be a little bit, they can be luxury, minimalist, corporate, professional. I want to be lifestyle. I want to do a lifestyle headshot. So we can do that and click enhance photo. We can also skip enhancement, which just use if you already have a pretty nice headshot done for you. This is the headshot that I have. It's definitely not very nice. So I'm just going to actually create a lifestyle professional headshot for me. And now let's take a look at the generated headshot together. Oh, looks really good. I like it. This is fantastic. So I'm going to use this photo, and then this is where we record the voice. I already have a voice clone created, but what usually happens is you just click start recording, and then you read through this 1 minute script, about 90 seconds, 1 minute to 90 seconds. The longer you read, the better the voice sounds. You can also upload an audio file, but you can also do that. It's pretty straightforward. So right now I'm just going to skip and then just create my clone. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create an AI clone of yourself. And now let's take a look at the clone together. This is the clone that I created. Oh, looks fantastic. And let's use him in a video. So the next thing we want to do is just click create new video. And let's do a seller one. We do want to get listings, right? We want to get listings to last in the business. As we all know, we're going to select this new clone. We want to do something a little bit more professional. Let's generate a new script. So this is a script that I generated. Most Austin buyers decide on your home before they even step inside. True. I once saw a Westlake listing sit for weeks until we simply swapped the lighting fixture and mulch. First, update your exterior hardware. Second, add fresh black mulch. Small wins leads to big offers. DM me to prep your home. Great. I want to add a little bit more context into this seller video. And in marketing, photos are extremely important. Don't cheap out on professional photography. So now they added a little longer context. So I love to see how this turns out. We're just gonna click create video. And just gonna go through the same process. And now let's take a look at the generated video together.
Most Austin buyers decide on your home before they even step inside. I once saw a Westlake listing site for weeks until we simply swapped the light fixtures and mulch. First, update your exterior hardware. Second, add fresh black mulch. Small wins lead to big offers. In marketing, photos are extremely important.
Oh,
Don't
that's
cheap
good.
out on professional photography. DM me to prep your home.
That's good. That's a fantastic video. So what I'm going to do next is going to share it to my Instagram this time. Because the platform I'm on the pro plan, connect to 2 social accounts, Facebook and Instagram. Just click right here. And then it shows it's posted to Instagram. Let's check my Instagram account together right here. Perfect.
Your home before they even step inside. I once saw a
Wonderful. So that is how simple it is to create videos using this new platform. Now you can generate countless social media videos with just a click of a button, with your photo, with your voice recording, without you ever stepping in front of the camera ever again. So that's how simple, how straightforward, how we want to scale up our production in 2026 and beyond is leveraging AI, right? Using the AI photo clone, using the AI clone to create infinite real estate video. So if you're interested in trying this out, the app is now open. It's live for sign up. You can check it out at realasianclone.com. It's a fantastic app, and I look forward to seeing how you enjoy the app. And check out this next video.